People, this is St. Mary running now, you know, say, with our St. Mary Adventures. It's beautiful and lovely. I hope you're enjoying your life. I want to show you right now the beautiful sun coming out in the morning. I want you to take care of yourself and remember to go to JamaicanHealthBox.com and get your health up. Today is an adventure, a farming adventure. The lushness of St. Mary bringing to you in Jamaica. This is yours truly, Randy Pottinger, the girls and Candy. Always big up to Sandy. The Queen is in the house. So drive a nice, easy vibration and nice elevation, and so I'll go through life. And we're showing you Jamaica, the beautiful, the magnificent, the most awesome Jamaican St. Mary. Today's weather is mind your business and shut your mouth. Whenever you're in Jamaica, try a dragon stout or a red stripe beer. But remember, mind your business and shut your mouth at all times. Don't tell people your business and go from point A to point B. Gas up, do what you're doing, and do as much as you can by yourself. It is the best way to navigate this country is to do it by yourself. All right, next time. Right now we're going to the seaside to pick up 2 fish. How much per pound is fish? You still don't know that. All right. We're going to learn how much per pound is fish. I'm going to try to get a discount, $50 off. This is rafting. How much you charge for the rafting? Where you start for the rafting, yes sir? I feel good. It's early in the morning. It's a nice vibe in St. Mary because you can't just go to the beach. I have a cookout. You cook on the beach though? They don't allow in that section. We have a coal store. Where them sell coal? You don't know? I want to take punkum pinkam paka. Punkum pinkam.
I've never had to buy coal.
You never had to buy coal. So you're not really a country, dirty country girl. No.
Yes.
Not
yes.
Okay, you're in training. Got it. Fire pan
By myself, I remember saying I roll by myself.
Okay. You still have the American Atlanta twist. You're not totally country yet. People see it there. The seaside with the gangsters them. This is Jamaica, good life. Seaside in St. Mary. It's clean. Nice. Yeah man, see it there? Nice beach and everything. People, this is Jamaica, good life. Alright, this is St. Mary. See what the house them there? Yeah. Put up on a farming expedition. Right? This is the new mission. Cut some bamboo for the camp, change and balance, and bring it in, yeah? Peace and love. People here in Fleming Airport right there, so. So there's St. Mary. I just saw them drop the cocaine or the ganja. Okay. I St. Mary, the cocaine come in. Okay. What time the next shipment are coming? You know? Can't tell me, can't talk about the thing. Okay. So what's the name of the highway? North Coast. And this take you to where? Port Maria, Another.
This carry all the way to Port Antonio.
All the way to Port Antonio. So we're in Oracabessa now. There are a lot of things that go on. So you say about to build a place in Oracabessa. No place in my build up. So this is Oracabessa. Okay. It's a basketball. People, if you see on the house, just scream out and make a comment. If you see on the dog on the street, just say something. But if you see on a goat, shut in the mouth. Some of them left for foreign and things are not good still there. Don't eat high. Big up to Miss Oliver, the big lady. Big up to pretty people, my pretty friend them. Who else me for big up? Everybody. And they've been traveling to show them beautiful Jamaica. This is St. Mary. I hope that's so. I hope this will look nice. Alright. It's St. Mary. So what falls? You know, Google the falls them. The falls on here we can take a swim. How much fish we have in the thing? What is it? Look like it's a cool bun around here, so. Okay, nice little place, food place there, so. So where we there now? Now we're going to Oracabessa. Jack's River. Jack's River nice? Okay. So what a junction your name? Okay. We're good? Speak up, we're good?
Yeah.
Okay, you say when you hesitate to speak, you know. You get me nervous, like you call police for me. You see what I say? Okay. Like you want to say, don't turn up this, don't do that there. Yeah. You need some magnesium so your brain sharp. Yeah. Alright. Is it the back door maybe? One on drive, I know. So this is, what town is this? Oracabessa. That's why I say. Hold us.
Oracabessa police station.
scammer them not come out so early.
No.
The scammer them sleep here early. Alright, nice and cool.
Lush.
Yes. Okay.
Galena town.
Did you bring the pumpkin seed then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So me have a spray buckle, you know. You know spray by your hand. Strictly.
And since I got it anyway. Galena town. Our village. Ice cream over there, so. Exercise the two hand them on the phone heavy, so exercise the two hand. We can't have one hand up and the other one flimsy.
I do want them all use people. I want them to use for 8 hours. Well, them in training stage.
Galena Lighthouse somewhere.
I'm going to put it on this way.
The lighthouse in St. Mary's over here, so Galena.
The lighthouse.
Yes, there's a lighthouse. I know there's one in Port Maria. I don't know where the other ones are. One in the grill too, I think.
And St. Mary kind of nice and cool. It's not bad at all. Not bad. It's a great experience. Very, very nice and easy. We love it. We love the calm and peaceful nature. You know, it very, you know, feel stressed out. It being kind of hot and high pace like a city.
It's just the scenery. Going looking into Port Maria. Welcome to Port Maria.
Port Maria.
Port Maria.
Can I road this up?
The boat fell right there, so this is a detour.
Run, stop down there.
You know, sense.
Straight.
Yep.
this name now?
Port Maria.
So Port Maria town.
Yeah, the parish seat. Parish capital.
Of St. Mary.
It's early, otherwise this place chock up.
Huh?
It's early, otherwise Port Maria chock up.
Okay.
All of this was flooded.
Speak up, speak. Say it.
All of this was flooded. All of here was flooded last February 22.
Yes. Hey people. Hey, this is Port Maria Pass. So we are going now.
Still in Port Maria. Gas station, if you get to
Okay. This is a nice drive. Thank you for having us on your journey, St. Mary Seafood. So what season now? Mango season? Stop this.
No, we're about 5 minutes, 5 miles, 5 kilos. Yeah. And you pick up packages there.
Buccaneer.
So that's the Port Maria.
That's the Port Maria stop.
This used to be a coconut. See, there's still a lot of coconut trees.
Highgate, right?
Yeah.
Highgate is a place me hear so much. Growing up, my uncle always drive through Highgate, big up to Uncle Dennis. Yeah. The road is nice.
I think this is a Great House up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
White Tower Great House is beautiful. Tourist attraction. Very nice. Very, very nice. I expected a lot more windy road, but that's not the case. But the place peaceful and nice, man.
The road sank. That was the road, but it sank, and you'll see where it sank.
Okay,
It's a huge sink.
stop it.
The only thing about St. Mary, the roads. See that? Road sank away from there. So Islington is straight ahead. We're going this. Now this windy.
This is St. Mary. Yes. This is St. Mary, people. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Beautiful St. Mary. Yes, yeah. This is the Liberty. Look at the beauty, man. Their country. If right now we're in the bush, look on a chocolate tree. See it here? Nice. The one already?
All of the red one.
People first chocolate in a St. Mary. See it there? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is the spot. People that surround the walk on to the old dragon there. All out there, you know. The samurai for the mama ride. So we're then at the hills. This is the new Liberty. Yeah. St. Mary was there. The coconut them tree them tall. The samurai and the mama ride.
Orange. I've got in here, so.
People, Jamaica, good life, see them there? This Casper, the hotel. Travel the whole place, you know, from bush, just town, cut bamboo, weed grass and things. Met Bush Banton and listen to him sing. King, breadfruit. Now, what kind of roast so much for them breadfruit there? I'm gonna roast two breadfruit later. Because I know we lose a breadfruit. It was a trauma traumatic experience. Lose a breadfruit this month. Yeah, arsenic. Yeah. So we have to check a breadfruit for roasting, you know. Yeah, man. Jamaica Good Life sent me episode forever. If you feel the stage. Take a wait. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we can get the coal.
Yeah.
And we can fry it. Get some coconut oil. Yes. But you know, sister, I want a Dutch pot for that. Because the pot they can't work on the coal stove, you know. Can't plug in the burner them bad. That's how it's going up, people. I just Jamaica I live, you know. Anywhere, my beer sent me here every day, all day. Everywhere in the world, yeah. Jerk Center. Nice. It's a nice day. What an adventure, sir. Yeah, what an adventure. The car they get stuck in our hill, people. And Jolly Almighty pull it out. Cause when I touch on the gas one time, the car shut down and said my car ain't gonna further. I say, alright, I'll use the strength, so I meds and just push it out. That's how I say. I said me here, you know, watch when I bring on a look of vaccine and make sure we get a 4-wheel drive, you see me? You can't go bush with vaccine. You see what I say? Hey, Foxy, you almost get lost on the grass. The laugh that if not come out. A fun time, big up Save You, man called At Faith, big up man called Kena. Doing the great works. Yeah, man. Patrick and nothing in, everything still good, everything plug in. Mission, you know, go already, I want to keep doing the great works. Stop it! Yeah, man, I have to keep trying and show the people in Jamaica, say Jamaica positive and Jamaica is livable. That is the mission for this program. I'm going to stop the same vibration. So St. Thomas comes, Portland will come check you soon, St. Thomas. St. Catherine, I'm a place to, you know, Linstead Market, I got to go push the cart. I left the cart still park up with the chain on it. You know what I'm saying? So I have to go back and St. Mary, go back and St. Catherine, and Charlie Mountain, the people them live there, so. My teacher, but I have to dress up nice. Is it Randy? But you have to give them candy. But I never teach you that in a Linstead all age. So, you know, I go already, you know, want a Rasta, now I want a Crasta. You see me? So we have to go St. Catherine, Linstead. You know what I'm saying? Jaja. The herbalist pass on people, the foundation of Jamaica. Good life. So we're all getting old and things will happen soon now. So you wanna do? Don't run from Jamaica, full joy on life. So St. Mary them a build up and everything nice. Some food most erroneous. Come smell some rice. Seafood, Thai seafood, soup then local kitchen there. I'm telling them. What a life, sir. You see anybody get shot today? You hear no gunfire?
I think my fire from the minute.
Okay. Peace and love. Yes! Yeah. What a episode, sir. What a day. Good road trip. Good job. Good navigate. I'll go home now, go fry some fish. If we can find a breadfruit, sleeping off the breadfruit.